Hi guys, everyone. Here today we are at the Continental MaxContact MC7 launch, and see who we bump with. We bump into Mr. Koh Pang Chien. Mr. Koh Pang Chien, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi. So my name is Pang Chien. Actually, I'm the manager for Thailand development for APAC region, and today we are here in the MC7 launch event, and then together also with Edwin.
Thanks for having me. First of all, I have a few questions about MC7. What are the main requirements of MC7 and how did it started?
Okay. If you saw our product launching, right, MC7 is about the three things that we said, right? So it's all about maximum control, it's about shorter braking distance, and also sporty silence. So these are actually our three main requirements for us to develop the product.
Okay. And what are the difference between MC6 and MC7?
Good question. Also, like what we said there, right, we wanted to make it better in handling. So we see that handling has improved. We want it to be better also in braking, dry and wet braking, and also quieter tire actually. So it's now a more silent tire compared to the MC6 as well.
So what are the main challenges developing MC7?
So as you can see, the MC7 has a very high requirement of what we described, the three main things that we want to focus on. So imagine that we now have to push for a better braking product and to still make it silent, and these are actually a target conflict that we have in our development. So how to work it is based on the technology where we introduce, like for example the cornering macro block, the noise breaker. So we have to introduce this feature to be able to overcome these requirement challenges, and it takes time, and that's why during the development phase these are the things that we need to fine tune back and forth to come to, let's say, a level that we are happy to launch the product.
Okay, then how do you know when MC7 is ready? Did you hit a certain requirement level that you say, or it's a time level based?
Yes. So not really time level. I mean, in our development cycle, we have simulation, we have testing, we also have requirements that we have to fulfill. So it's when we fulfill all this check mark of ensuring that the product is meeting our requirement, that is where the point that we say we are happy to launch the product.
Right. Where is MC7 currently produced?
So MC7 is an Asia Pacific dedicated product. So for Malaysia at least, currently we are producing in Thailand and in China.
Okay. How about Alostar?
Alostar, they are now focused on other Gen 7 products, so far not MC7.
Understood. If you can redevelop MC7 again, what will you change?
It's a very difficult question to answer, but because basically in the end, what Continental developed is dedicated product for the customer. So if we have to redo it, it's the same thing about asking what does the customer need as a successor of MC6. Where do we need to push the boundary for technology? Basically rerun everything, making sure that our development direction is exactly the product that our customer wants. So this is exactly how we do it. But that being said, we are very happy with the MC7 as it is today.
So regarding to this four main pillar of improvements are like construction, compound, contour, and pattern, right? What would you say has the most contribution to MC7?
Will be difficult to say a single one. Is actually a combination, because when we introduce the CTRL, right, we have the macro block, which is the pattern, we have the reflex compound, which is the compound. So it really depends on how everything is combined together. But in the end, we know that we cannot say one thing is bringing all the performances, and we need to balance out with all four components that you mentioned.
Who's heading this project, and how does it work to develop an APAC line, especially with collaboration with Europe?
Yeah, so a teaser for you. It's not a teaser. Basically, our project leader is actually a fellow Malaysian, but working in Hanover. So for us in Thailand development for APAC, right, we have a team in PJ, but we actually work also with different team members worldwide in our R&D organization, meaning also in Hanover and in some test facilities in Hefei. So it's a combination of this team, and our project leader actually sits in the Hanover team in Germany, and he is the one that really works hard on bringing all this product together as it is.
Understood. Give me your best pitch. Why should I buy MaxContact MC7 compared to Michelin Pilot Sport 5?
Very simple. I mean, if you want precise control, you want maximum grip, you want shorter braking distance, and you want sporty silence, you have to buy MC7.
Are you saying that Pilot Sport 5 doesn't bring those?
I'm saying that MC7 has a very good product with the combination with it, and whether or not the competitor is better or not, this is up to the end customers to judge.
But in terms of benchmark, who would you say is your main competitor?
The main competitors are, like you know, I cannot say it, but it's basically in the same segment, you know that there are a few key players. So those are our competitors.
And then Michelin, Bridgestone, Conti, Goodyear.
This one is then for you to tell me.
Okay, understood. So another intriguing question, I will leave you with the last one. So how would you summarize your MC7 development phase? Are you happy?
Yeah, for sure. I think MC7 is a combination of a lot of effort from all the team lead, the team member into putting a product together, and now we are very happy and very proud to launch this product today in Sepang.
Okay. Thanks, Koh Pang Chien, for your time.
Thank you.
Appreciate.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.